Hey, my name is Rob. For a long time, I robbed shops and other businesses, but a few days ago I was caught, and now I have to tell you how. The owner secured this company. I knew they had a lot of money, but I didn't expect good lighting outside, and hidden CCTV could identify me so clearly. The police officers showed me a video, and it was of fantastic quality. So, the first rule is getting CCTV and good lighting outside. When I came to the front door, I started unlocking it. I tried and tried, but it was firm as a rock. So I chose to break the window. And when I took a stone and threw it in the glass, bam! And then the alarm and I had to run away or quickly break inside. As you see, I chose the second option. This is rule number 2, use an alarm system. When we came to the crime scene, I saw a guy who installed a keypad or maybe card access. Also, they had finished the intercom system. And now it isn't easy to come inside without a pass. Oh, this is rule number 3. Use this to not access guests like me. You can read more information below or call Sherlock and Key. These guys know about security.